What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ZndBorn, Berkeley graduated, sound gym validated. I've stumbled across an audio interface that I really like that I want to show you guys, and especially because it's in the budget range of audio interfaces. I'm not entirely sure there's a such thing as a budget interface anymore. A lot of this gear is starting to sound really good. I reached out to Arturia because there's an audio interface that I was really interested in trying out, and they sent one over for me that I can unbox for you guys. So let's open it up and take a look. This is the Arturia MiniFuse 4 audio interface. It's 4 inputs, 4 outputs, 2 headphone jacks with a MIDI in and out, and 2 USB hubs with 2 1/4 combo XLR inputs on the front with instrument level switches, gain control, phantom power, and VU meter on the front panel, monitor level control, headphone level control. It is USB-C powered with 110 dB dynamic range and an input noise of -129 dB. And it included a great selection of software when you purchase. And you can purchase the MiniFuse right now for $219 US. There it is. This is a lovely box. And one of the great features is that it lights up when you plug something into it. Boom! Great metal chassis, very solid build. All of the buttons have a great feel to them. Nice solid click factor. Oh yeah. And the knobs are tight. All of that contributes to the feeling that it's a nice quality build. The LEDs on your input knobs react to the incoming signal. It's a very nice touch. And of course you have some really solid metering. And a really nice feature that they have the USB hub on the back, so that if you're using this in a small setup or a mobile setup, you can plug in additional USB accessories right into your audio interface, so your loadout can be nice and compact. This is an interface that I can use with my laptop, and it carries and translates right over to my large setup in my studio, in my room. And it don't look half bad either. Powerful headphone outs for the most bloodthirsty cans that you have, and super clean low noise for the preamps. And you have 4 outputs in the case you want to run your signal to external outboard gear. Couple that with the MIDI in and out that a lot of interfaces at this price point don't have, and it's USB powered. This is the interface that does just about everything you want it to do for $215, and you don't feel like you're missing out on anything. I find the audio conversion to be very good. There are better converters out there, but this is very, very solid, and I'm very comfortable running my audio out of this box. And in the past budget interfaces, you weren't able to say that. You have your serial number and your unlock code on the bottom that lets you register your unit and gives you access to the free software that comes with the MiniFuse. And I'll probably do a separate video for the Arturia effects because they nailed a lot of the emulations, and you can get a lot of mileage using their plugins. And Arturia is nailing it with their MiniFuse line. And it sounds amazing. Let's get it to the desk so we can hear how it sounds. And just to give you an idea of what it sounds like, I have the MiniFuse 4 plugged in on the desk with no additional outboard gear, and I'm using my Lauten Audio Atlantis. Very clean sounding preamps, and might I say, just so I can get this on record, so we appreciate the small things, Arturia. The Arturia branded braided white cable, that's a quality cable. It doesn't go unnoticed. It's all in the details. Arturia interfaces weren't on my radar, but I am quickly becoming a huge fan just because of how well this performs. I think this is an excellent interface for a minimalist setup. It's a very clean interface. It's a very quiet interface. Powerful enough headphone outs, very clean preamps, a very nice selection of software that comes with the interface. It's USB powered. And this is a very solid pickup for anybody who's in the market for an audio interface. So I want to thank you guys again for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. Go out there and give this a try. I think you'll like it. It's your boy ZndBorn. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.